inspection camera from Laser Tools will certainly give you the edge in the workshop. This handheld, lightweight, rechargeable device is the perfect tool to help you perform visual inspections in hard-to-reach areas. The extremely flexible, semi-rigid camera probe is 1 meter long and a tiny 3.9 millimeters in diameter. This is a fully featured instrument, ergonomically designed so that the main function buttons can be controlled with one hand. Now let's put the inspection camera through its paces. First, we'll demonstrate how easy it is to check for brake pad wear without taking the wheels off. The end of the probe is fitted with 6 tiny LEDs, which have 3 levels of brightness. Look at that, the depth of pad material is easy to see, and all recorded to show your customer. Checking for faults in difficult areas is no problem for the camera. The probe's flexibility allows you to get right down into the most hard to reach places. Nothing wrong with these turbo vanes. The extremely narrow camera probe lets us make useful internal engine inspections. Narrow enough to go down through glow plug or injector apertures and see right into the combustion chamber. We can clearly read the part number off the top of the piston. A useful accessory is the 90-degree mirror attachment, which simply clips over the end of the probe. Here we can see clearly right round the edge of this belt, even though it's deep in the engine bay. Here we're going even deeper into the engine bay to find a part number on a component behind the engine. This time we will take a still photograph so that the number can easily be read off later. Yet another great feature on this handheld device is this 4 LED torch, which will give you even more visibility. You can easily play back your videos and images either for your own use or to show your customer. To retrieve the recorded video and still images, you can connect the camera straight up to a laptop or PC with the supplied USB lead. This is also how you charge the camera's internal battery. The camera is also equipped with a 16GB micro SD card. The Laser Tools portable inspection camera, available now at your nearest stockist.